Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my sort of new daily sort of foundation routine, like my fresh boy beat type of face. Just gonna be a really simple and easy makeup look. So without me rambling any further, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for this look, for primer, we're gonna go with the Fenty Beauty foundation primer. Now I really like this primer just because it is more so of like a moisturizing primer, and it does create a good base for the makeup that I put over top of it. And it just feels nice on the skin. It's not like a weird like silicone primer, which I hate silicone primers so much. They work well, I just hate the way that they feel. I don't like that silicone feeling on my skin. Alright, so next in my simple like boy beat makeup routine, I'm going to go in with the MAC Strobe Cream. This is the color in Peach Light, and I'm literally going to take like a little dollop of it, like just a tiny little dollop of it, and I'm just gonna focus this on the high points of my face, so my forehead, my cheek area, and my nose, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my chin here too. And basically what I'm going to do is just kind of focus blending it in these areas, and then just blend it out to the rest of my face. So that way most of the product stays in that one place, and then as I blend it out, it just kind of shears out. Okay, so lately I've been getting back into color correcting, especially since like I've been a little bit more self-conscious about my dark marks here and there. I do have a skincare video coming up for you guys, another skincare diaries video. I haven't done that in quite a while, and I just kind of want to re-up on my skincare game. But in the meantime, while I'm trying to get this darkness corrected, I've been using the MAC Cosmetics Peach Luster Prep and Prime highlighter. I haven't used this in quite a long time, and I started picking it back up lately just to use as a corrector shade for my dark marks, specifically on my nose. And this right here, got this spot right there, and then over here. Alright, so now that we're all concealed and corrected, I am going to go now into my favorite foundation so far this year. It's the Bobbi Brown Skin Weightless Foundation. I do have a review on this foundation, and I'll leave the video linked up somewhere through here. Alright, so now that we have the foundation on, this is about 2.5 pumps on my face. We're going to go ahead and go into concealer. You guys already know, NARS Creamy Radiant all the way, and this is the color in Almond. We're just going to pull out that right under the eyes. Now when I do concealer, well, the new way that I'm doing it now, I used to do like the whole triangle situation, but now I'm literally just kind of popping it right there and then blending it out, because I really don't need to do all of that triangle. I don't need to do the whole triangle situation, well, specifically for this type of look, just because I feel like it's not needed and it's unnecessary for like an everyday look, in my opinion. So that's why I'm just basically putting the highlighting specifically where I need it, just to brighten up this inner portion right here, and not like the whole cheekbone area. Alright, and to blend this out, I'm going to use the same brush that I used the foundation. This is the e.l.f. Foundation Blurring Brush. This is like my absolute favorite brush for foundation and concealer and powder. Like, it's a good like all-in-one type of brush. It just blends things out so easily, and it's really affordable too. I forgot how much I paid for it. I think it was like $3 at my local Walmart. So I mean, if you haven't picked this up already, definitely pick it up, and I encourage you to try it. Alright, so to set the places I concealed, I'm going to go in with the MAC Patrick's Powder. They did restock on this online, so I definitely say go pick you up some of this because it is limited. So I definitely say pick it up because it's a really good powder for just giving you a smooth finish on your skin. Alright guys, so the skin is pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. What I'm filling my brows with in now is the Spiked Brow Sculpt by MAC. Alright, so for lashes, I'm going with the Bold and Bad Lash Mascara from MAC. Okay, so now that I have the mascara on, we're gonna go back into the face. So for highlight, we are gonna put on highlights. So you can't live without a highlight, and I like the glow. We're gonna go into MAC's Gold Deposit, and I'm gonna be using a Sephora fan brush, and I'm literally going to be taking the lightest bit of this, like just a little bit, and tap off the excess. And I'm just going to slightly graze the high points of my face, because I just want it to look like I have like a natural glow, to where you're like, oh, do you have a highlight on? Do you not have a highlight on? Like that sort of situation. Alright guys, so as far as lips goes, this is a very simple look. It's very, very easy, and what I wear like on a day-to-day basis, not every day because I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do wear makeup where I'm not like doing a creative like out there look, I'm usually wearing this. This is the Minted Cosmetics lip gloss in Sin Nude. It's like a nice brown color, and we're just gonna use that on our lips today. Alright, so the very last step in this routine is that I'm going to finish off my face with the MAC Cosmetics. This is the Charge Water Spray. They recently just released this. I am going to be doing a more updated video on this in my skincare diaries video, so stay tuned for that and I'll tell you more about this. But it's just really good for setting your makeup as well. So I'm just gonna... Alright guys, so this is just my simple everyday just kind of makeup routine. If any of the products that I use in this video you like, definitely leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked this video. And don't forget to follow me on my social media pages, that is Instagram and Snapchat, all at Diamante Duane. I really only get on Instagram because Snapchat I'm not really a snapper like that. But Instagram, I'm always posting on Instagram and doing Instagram stories. So if you want to know what's new with me, definitely follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, so it was definitely fun doing this video. I will catch you guys later in another video. Bye.